Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this one, we'll look at another concept widely asked in interviews known as overloading, overriding. And let's see how we can do this in Java. Okay, so continuing with the same example, let's say I have this cat. Now I removed the implements uh, keyword which we were doing before. What I'll do is I'll try to extend this from another class which we will create in a minute. So cat is a type of mammal. Mammal I am considering as a parent class from which cat is inheriting. Okay, so we are moving back to inheritance now. Okay, quickly let's create a new Java class known as MMAL mammal. Okay, and what we will do is we will basically define some methods which are already there in the cat class. I'll remove this function for a while just for this video, and we will just consider one sleep method we have. Okay, so we have a sleep method defined in the child class which takes a string, and we are printing a string there. And similarly we have defined a method in the parent class, uh, you know with a string input. Okay, now basically what we are doing is there is already a function with a name sleep in mammal parent class, but in child class we are trying to override that method because the name of the method we have kept as same. Okay, so when we want to you know add some functionality to an existing method, that is when we override that method from the parent class. Okay, so let's quickly go to the main file here. What we will do is I'll just remove these lines to make it quick because we are not concerned with dog related object here. It's more about cat. Okay, and so let's see which particular function gets called right now. So cat function got called, the function inside the cat class got called. Okay, because we have overridden that function. Okay, now if let's say let me try uh, one variation here. Cannot resolve method, sorry. Let's see if this will work. So I'm trying to create an object of type mammal. So let's see what happens here. Still, it called the function inside the cat class only. Okay. Now let's see if I define a mammal only. I'm creating a mammal object only. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Okay. So it is calling the mammal function because here nowhere cat is getting created. Nowhere cat type object is getting created. It's all about mammal. Let me try one more variation. If let's say I'm doing this, will this work? Okay, okay. So this is not working. Tool set. Okay. Okay. So let me make it my mammal because we are not involved with cat. Okay. So it will call the sleep method inside mammal class, which was the parent class to cat. Okay. And if we want to call the sleep method inside cat, then obviously, we create a cat object, cat type object. And if we give object.cat, object.sleep, then it will call the cat method and not mammal method. Here, anyway, we are calling the mammal type or creating a mammal type object only. Okay. Okay, so that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Hope overloading and overriding is now clear to you. Overriding is when a child class overrides a method from its parent class, okay, just to add some functionality to an existing functionality in parent class. And overloading is in the same class when you can define multiple methods with the same name but different signature, okay, and based on what parameters you are providing, the appropriate function gets called because the names are same. Okay, so hope these concepts are clear and you can apply some of these in your programs as well. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.